Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to run this edge, or paint this edge without taping it before you paint. Okay, so a lot of time you will find a professional painter run this one without any taping it, painter's tape so that way you don't bleed over on the other side, okay? But here's what the trick is. You get yourself a good edger, okay? This is the paintbrush edge. You see, this is made from Worcester. Okay, so I've been using this one for quite a long time now. It's one of my favorite brand. It's not too expensive, but it is a little bit more expensive than some other one out there, okay? You see how the brush is? It's slanted. And you see that? It's not square. So when you run an edge like that, you see that? It just runs smooth. Like that, you see? Okay, and it holds paint quite a bit in there, so I just ran that for you. Okay, just so invest yourself in a good edge paintbrush, okay? So that way you can get your project done quicker without any tape before when necessary, okay? Hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next video.